Attention! The stars are gathering as Trinity University proudly presents her 4th Convocation Ceremony. The Vice Chancellor, Professor Clement O.O. Kolawole, PhD, MNAE, FIE, FCLMI, and the entire Trinity University family announce a week-long celebration of brilliance, achievement, and impact. From Monday, 23rd March to Friday, 27th March 2026, the Trinity University campus, Yaba, Lagos, comes alive. The press conference, student showcases, matriculation, alumni reunion, Convocation Lecture, Thanksgiving service, and the grand finale, the Convocation Ceremony, with the presentation of prizes and award of diploma and degrees. Theme: Convoking a galaxy of stars, empowered to make global impact. This is more than a ceremony. It's a celebration of destiny, a call to shine, and a moment to witness greatness. Witness the Convocation of Stars, Trinity University Convocation 2026, where stars are made and impact begins. Trinity University, building on the rock.